All right, so here we have another interesting question. This actually is from one of the subscribers on YouTube, and the question reads, if I will make a gallon of cough preparation that will contain 1 grain of active ingredient per teaspoonful, how many grams of active ingredient will I need? So here we're looking for how many grams, quantity in grams. And so this is more or less a conversion, straight up conversion with a slight twist, because you want to pay attention to the quantity you're making. You're making a gallon, and it gives you some kind of a concentration of 1 grain per teaspoonful. So now the grain is kind of like is a measurement of mass, and it's supposed to have been the weight of a grain of cereal. Okay. So to do this problem, we could solve it in one straight shot using dimensional analysis. But there are a few things we want to be sure about from the beginning. You should know the conversion for a grain and also the conversion for gallon. So I'm going to put that up there. And we know that 1 grain is actually 64.8 milligrams. Okay. And then 1 gallon is actually 3.78 liters. All right. So what's going to happen is we can simply set this up as 1 grain is in a teaspoonful, and then we know that 1 teaspoon is actually 5 ml. And so if we begin to pay attention and cancel out the units, we can begin to get to the quantity that we're looking for. And what we want to do right now is say that 1 grain, going to make use of this conversion factor right there. 1 grain is 64.8 milligrams. And then we do know that 1,000 milligrams, because we want to end up in grams, is 1 gram. And so we can get rid of this one right here, get rid of this one right here. The only thing really left is the milliliters. And the way we're going to get rid of that is to basically convert that to liters and then make use of this conversion factor later on. So we have 1,000 ml is 1 liter, and we do know that 3.78 liters is 1 gallon. So that can cancel out. This can cancel out. And also it's a gallon. Okay. So if we did that, we would actually be able to figure out what the quantity in grams would be in that gallon of cough preparation. So we want to multiply everything in the numerator and then divide by what's in the denominator. So just to make things clear, we have 64.8, and then you multiply that by 1,000 by 3.78, and then we divide all of that by 1,000. So we do know that this probably is going to cancel out. And if we multiply everything out, we should end up with 49 grams. Okay, so 49 grams is what you need for this preparation. Okay, so it's almost straight shot using dimension analysis. You just want to make sure that you're conversant with your conversions, your conversion factors. And also, you know to use this concentration in your computation. So there you have it. That's how you would approach this question.